अगर आप एक कॉलेज स्टूडेंट हो तो इस वीडियो को आपको डेफिनेटली देखना चाहिए टिल द वेरी एंड, बिकॉज इस वीडियो में मैं बता रहा हूँ आपको 5 tools that will really help you out and they are completely free. इस वीडियो के अंदर I'll talk about these tools and how will these be helpful to you in your college life. In my experience, I have used these and these have saved me a lot of time. So I just wanted to share this with you. Hi everyone, I am Ishan Sharma and let's talk about all of these 5 tools. You know, I was asking Varun Maya this question ki how do you identify if someone is smart? So the thing that he said was, I will know you are smart if you are using shortcuts, right? If you can complete something in less amount of time than most people, then I know that you are smart. Because again, if you are a smart person, then why would you want to work all the day, right? You would want to create proxies, you would want to create systems that would do the work for you. So that is what we'll be discussing today, talking about number 1, this is going to be for your classes. अब बहुत सारे लोग अभी भी classes करते हैं on Zoom, and because of that आप बोर हो जाते होगे बहुत बार. There's something called as Zoom fatigue as well, and you are just not as interactive in a Zoom class. और आपके बहुत सारे meetings होते होंगे Zoom के ऊपर that you are just bored to listen to, and that is where you can check out fireflies.ai. अब ये एक नोट टेकिंग ऐप है, इसको आप अपने Gmeet से या फिर Zoom से कनेक्ट कर सकते हो, and the way this works is it will go through the whole recording, meeting or the class that you've had. It will create notes for you automatically. Isn't that crazy? So you can use this tool for completely free and you can get notes without you having to actually write them down yourself. मुझे याद है जब मैं 2020 या 21 में था, I used to ask for notes from my friends all the time क्योंकि पूरे टाइम I was focusing on my YouTube channel and growing MarketUp. I used to ask multiple friends कि यार मेरे को इसके notes दे दो, मेरे को इसके notes दे दो. But if I had this one tool with me, it would have saved me a lot of time. So try to check this out. It basically first of all goes through the whole audio clip. It then converts it into text and then it uses some tools to make it look concise and to the point. So this is one tool that you should definitely try using. The next tool is called as Notion. It's a great place for you to keep all of your things organized, and it's a second brain, so as to say, as Ali Abdal also talks about it. Hamari video thi with Ansh Mehra in which he also talks about how he uses Notion. But the basic line is that with the help of Notion, you can create a calendar in which you can track everything that you are doing. You can create a list of things that you need to get done called as a project board in which you can have the pending tasks, the ongoing ones, and the done tasks. And that will help you to get things done faster. You can also keep a track of all the interesting articles that you come across. And one new habit that I have recently learned is to document everything that I am thinking, all the new ideas that I have come across throughout the day, either by meeting someone or by reading something or just by introspecting. So I would just go onto a new page on Notion. I would write down कि मैंने आज क्या सीखा, right? So this one habit has helped me out a lot. So Notion एक tool है that I have been using since 2020 and it has helped me out a lot. It is for free. अगर आप एक college student हो तो you can use your college ID to log in and that will make sure that you get unlimited blocks so that you can use it for how much ever time that you want. This is tool number 2. अगर आपको ये वीडियो पसंद आ रही हो तो make sure that you hit the like button and subscribe as well. I make a lot of content for college students that you should definitely not want to miss. Let's talk about the third tool, right? अब मेरे को बहुत सारे लोग बोलते हैं कि यार भैया मेरे को अपॉर्चुनिटीज चाहिए, मेरे को कॉलेज के अंदर इंटर्नशिप चाहिए, मेरे को PPO लेना है, मुझे बहुत सारे रिक्रूटर से कनेक्ट करना है एंड आई डोंट नो कि मैं उनसे कैसे कनेक्ट करूँ. लिंक्डइन पर उनका फ़ोन नंबर तो होता नहीं है कि मैं जाके फ़ोन लगा दूँ कि हेलो भैया आपके अमेजोन में जॉब है कि नहीं है, राइट? सो व्हाट डू यू डू? सो दिस वन टूल कॉल्ड एज hunter.io और rocketreach.io. ये जो दो टूल्स हैं, these are basically tools that you can use to find emails of people at particular companies. With the help of Rocket Reach, you can just put the LinkedIn profile link and it will give you possible emails that you can then use to email to that person. Or you can use hunter.io जहाँ पर you can just put the name of the company and this tool will give you the format of this company. तो कोई भी कंपनी के अंदर there's a email format that they use, ishan.sharma@xyz.com. marketup में हम लोग क्या यूज करते हैं? We just use first@marketup.in, first name basically. So with the help of hunter.io and Rocket Reach, you can get access to all of this. But make sure that you understand that Rocket Reach के अंदर सिर्फ 5 कर सकते हैं for free. बट 100.io में यू कैन डू एज मैनी एज यू वॉन्ट। और ऐसे बहुत सारे टूल्स भी होते हैं, यू जस्ट नीड टू टाइप कि कंपनी ईमेल फॉर्मेट फाइंडर and just search for that and you'll find multiple of these tools that you can use. So this is one great practice that you can get. Make sure that you are emailing every day someone once you get into that mode of getting a job and finding an opportunity for yourself, and this will help you to find more opportunities and work at better companies. The fourth tool is going to help you a lot. अगर आप assignments कर रहे हो and आपने सोचा कि यार अपने दोस्त का कॉपी कर लेता हूँ, या फिर मैं कहीं आर्टिकल आपने कहीं ब्लॉग देख लिया, आपको वहाँ से कुछ कॉपी करना है, बट यू नो कि आपके इंस्ट्रक्टर ने बोला है दैट दे विल यूज सम सॉफ्टवेयर टू डिटेक्ट फॉर प्लेजियरिज्म. नाउ व्हाट डू यू डू? वेल, यू कैन यूज दिस टूल कॉल्ड एज क्विलबॉट. क्विलबॉट पे क्या होता है, यू जस्ट नीड टू पुट इन आपका जो करंट टेक्स्ट है and you need to click on the rephrase button. When you do that, it will convert that same text into a different phrase altogether. The meaning would remain the same, the syntax would be different, so that you will not be caught when they use a plagiarism detecting software. So this is a great trick that you can use to make sure that you first of all save your time, get smarter, and you succeed in your assignments. Tool number 5 that you can use, guys, this is going to help you out a lot when you are trying to create new habits in college. For me and for a lot of you as well, college में आप जब जाते हो तो this is the first time जब आप अपने पेरेंट्स से अलग रह रहे हो, जब आप सब कुछ खुद कर रहे हो, तो आपको एक हैबिट डालनी पड़ेगी टू लर्न एवरीथिंग फ्रॉम स्क्रैच, राइट? जस्ट अ सिंपल हैबिट ऑफ मेकिंग अ बेड एवरी सिंगल डे, एंड जस्ट अ सिंपल हैबिट ऑफ ईटिंग फ्रूट्स इन द मॉर्निंग, हैविंग almonds और ड्राई फ्रूट्स. लॉन्ड्री इज अ ग्रेट एग्जाम्पल. यू नो, जस्ट दीज स्मॉल थिंग्स दैट पहले इफ यू वर इन योर हाउस आपकी मम्मी आपको दे देती थी कि यार कि ये खा लो, ये सब कुछ कर देती थी. नाउ यू नीड टू टेक केयर ऑफ दैट योरसेल्फ. सो यू नीड टू गेट इनटू द हैबिट ऑफ ऑल ऑफ दीज थिंग्स, एंड इसी के लिए एक प्लेटफॉर्म है, एक ऐप है कॉल्ड एज Habitica. Habitica पे क्या होता है? Essentially you get access to a board on which you can write down your dailies. कुछ चीजें जो आप हर दिन करने वाले हो. Then the habits that you're trying to learn. For example, that could be going for a swim that you do twice every single week, every single month you want to do that. So you put down your habits, you put down your goals, and then you try to achieve those every single day. आप मुझसे पूछोगे कि यार इसमें नया क्या है, why can't I do this on Notion as well? तो इसमें क्या होता है कि they have gamified this experience of completing habits. What that means is that आप जब भी किसी एक चीज को टिक करोगे, you will get some coins, you'll get some tokens with which you can buy something else in the future, right? And you can upgrade your avatar. You can also make it social. उनका कुछ प्लेटफॉर्म होता है, वहाँ पे जाके आप मिल सकते हो अपने दोस्तों के साथ. You can do something crazy. So this is a great tool that you can use that will make sure that you have fun while you are trying to learn a new habit. Maybe that could be getting into the habit of reading books every single day. These were my 5 tools that every college student should use and is for free as well. अच्छा, आप मेरे को पहले ये बताइए कि what are the habits that you're trying to learn and what tools have helped you out in your college life? अपने किसी एक दोस्त के साथ शेयर करिए इसको. Hit the like button and subscribe. I keep coming up with interesting content on this channel, so you should definitely not miss that. You can also follow me on Instagram at ishansharma790. I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.